In front of me is REALME C63 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use one-handed mode. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to click on System. Then select one-handed mode. And if you are using gestures navigation, use this switcher next to use one-handed mode to activate it. Make sure that full screen into reach is on, and then swipe down from the bottom of your screen to enter one-handed mode. So when I do that, one-handed mode is on. To go back, swipe up, or click on this area at the top. To disable one-handed mode completely, use the same no blue switcher. If you are using Tricky's navigation though, this option will be unavailable. Instead, scroll all the way down to click on gray switcher next to one-handed mode shortcut. Tap on Got It in the pop-up and tap on one-handed mode shortcut on the left to manage all of those options. Then tap on this shortcut to enter or exit one-handed mode. To disable it completely, use the same no blue switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!